All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are going to look at Ethereum. So we're looking at Ethereum just to look at Ethereum, but also when Ethereum finally flips bullish and Ethereum gets over our orange line up here, I did adjust the chart from the last update. We had a macro fib on here, but it was all messy, so I took it off. But ultimately, Ethereum over this 25 at this orange line, then you'll know the altcoins are going to start going up. That's when alt season is going to start, in my opinion, over 25 on Ethereum here. So that's a big price to watch to the upside, but I do think that is nowhere in the near future. We are still with Ethereum on this megaphone pattern. We're hitting the top again. We're coming back down. The stock RSI, you can see, had a bearish cross. It's curling down now. MACD is going sideways. If we quickly look at the 3-day stock RSI, you can see it's about to have a bearish cross here and start curling down. So really what to watch for on Ethereum. If we come back down from this top, which we clearly are, the Fibonacci candles tell us that the trend is flipping back to the downside here. So really just watch the moving averages here and these levels here. So you have your 236 at 1700, your 21-day at 17.9, pretty much 1800. So once we come down here, we really need to bounce at 18 to continue this little ride that we're taking on these moving averages up. But once you lose that 21-day EMA at 18, your next support is the 236 at 17 here at your 50-day EMA, which is also pretty much at 1700. And then once we lose that, the 382 is our last line of defense here at 15.9, pretty much 1600. And your 200-day is currently at 15.99. Of course, those will adjust a little bit depending on where you meet them at, but ultimately 18, 17, and then 16. If we lose all those supports, then you know this megaphone pattern is actually playing out. And then we're coming back down here to these lower prices at 14.9, pretty much 1500, then 1400, and potentially all the way down here to your 786 at 1200 on Ethereum. So that is definitely on the table, in my opinion, here. So until we break over this 19.4 and get up to 20K and past 20K and then eventually 25K, the market's really not going anywhere. I would say the altcoins aren't going anywhere until Ethereum starts to move above that 25K mark. So we also may, besides this bearish pattern here, we may be coming back down here to fill the gaps. As you can see, we filled this gap, so we may be coming back down to fill these liquidity gaps down here on Ethereum. So that may be another reason why this thing has to come down here to these lower price targets here. So just watch those prices there, and then watch 19.4 and 20K to the upside. We need to get over 20K to pretty much break out of this pattern here and be considered extremely bullish, which 20K is, well, I guess we could still tag 20K and still be in this pattern here. That would put us about right there. So yeah, we need to break above 20K and then 21 and then eventually 25. But like I said, the pattern, the indicators, everything's telling me that we're going to come down. So our first price to watch is 17.9 at your 21 and then your 50-day EMA and then so on and so forth. So yeah, we'll leave it at that on Ethereum. Good luck, everyone. Not financial advice. Thanks for watching. Peace out.